Hello, and welcome to the HighpowerOne Access Control System tutorial. When the system is booted up, it will show the main activity screen. The top right of the screen shows system information. On the line 1 are the product name and the firmware version, and the WINS IPv6 based name of the controller, by default set up as HP1_0. You should be able to ping and address the device by this name on an IPv6 TCP IP network. Line 2 shows the current date and time that is set on the controller. This time is used to log all transactions that occur in the controller with a timestamp. Two sources of time are available: Internet Time Server Time and Onboard Real-Time Clock. Internet Time requires user to pick a time zone, and in doing this, the unit will be able to automatically account for daylight savings time changes and leap year. This also prevents power outages from disrupting the time settings, as the time is rechecked during the reboot. The onboard clock does not account for daylight savings, but the correct time is backed up during power outages in a supercapacitor up to 2 weeks. Line 3 lists all the current IPv4 addresses present in the controller. In the middle of the screen is a scrolling audit trail window that shows system activity. This includes valid and invalid card access requests, request to exit events, and output changes due to schedule activities or door override commands. All activity listed on the screen is simultaneously logged into onboard transaction records. These activity records are typically downloaded remotely via Ethernet or Wi-Fi, or can be used to generate an audit trail report onto a USB memory stick. Holding your finger on the activity window for a few seconds will result in a clearing all activity. Message will appear on the screen asking you if you want to clear it. The activity log will still be available in the controller's memory log, but the activity window is cleared. This is useful when you are doing reader and request to exit switch debugging during the installation of the controller. The first line on the bottom screen shows the time and date of the last event logged. The second line shows if the type of signal provided by the reader is Wiegand data, track 2 ABA, or proprietary alpha Wiegand data. Third line shows the bit structure of the card. This is important since multiple card formats can be programmed into the HP1. The last line on the bottom shows the decimal ID number of the card. Pressing the padlock on the bottom right of the home screen for the first time will bring the user to a password entry screen. After picking a password and confirming it with a double entry, the home screen will become locked with the supplied password to avoid tampering. Do not forget the password. If this password is forgotten, there is no easy way of getting back into the unit without contacting technical support. The buttons on the right of the screen are main function buttons, which are used to perform all programming functions of the controller. These functions will be covered in following instruction videos. Thank you for watching. For any questions, contact me using the email on the screen.